Let's take a quick look at silver in the larger degree. I have been going over and over and over about the silver fractal from 2010, 2011. If you remember, I kept saying this fractal took us about 5 weeks. It's a reasonable expectation for this fourth wave to take that amount of time as well. Thus far, we have taken 1, 2, 3, about 4 weeks now. So if we get a C wave down to start soon, this could also take us the similar type of 5-week structure. So that's reasonable to me, especially since you look at the respective wave 2 here, which took forever, just about 2 years in that wave 2. And if you go back to here, wave 2 really wasn't even that long here. Maybe it took 9 months back here. So, but ultimately, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're probably going to look at a similar sized wave 4 when it comes to this structure here. Bigger picture. Oh, and also in the bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen, our minimum target, as you can see, bottom of the box, it's a 2.0 extension where, I mean, I think that's a reasonable target. However, I will say that in 2011, wave 3 was equal to the size of wave 5. They were equal. That puts us to the top part of the box. So we're going to be looking for a 5-wave structure into this box. And as we're getting that 4 or 5, I think I'm going to be telling people it is time to lighten up. Nobody will want to because of how strong it'll feel. Again, I'm going to point out, look at what happened in the final move. Oops. There we go. Look at what happened in this final move. Nobody is going to want to get out. Nobody. Because it's going to feel like it's going to go on forever and there's money to be made every step of the way. And this took several months also. This took several months. I'm expecting the similar thing to happen. And again, nobody's going to want to get out. Nobody's going to want to take profits. It's going to feel like it's going to go on forever. But ladies and gentlemen, it is likely going to be a 5th wave. If you remember 2011, it'll probably be similar, if not even more extreme than that. So that is silver. Let's look at silver on the 144. Silver on the 144. The higher this goes for me, the more likely we could hold the top of the support box. But you know, the bottom of the support box is also still wide open, so we're going to have to watch how that develops. Okay. Alternatively, 4 may be done. I just don't think that's the case. I would much prefer that C wave down, and I will be buying that next pullback as well. Bought here, and I will be buying the next pullback as well. Smaller degree, as you can see, we have enough in place to really consider. I mean, this could be wave 3, 4, and 5. That is possible. So you're watching this pivot. You see a breakdown below this pivot. This pivot now is, let's say, $50. If you see an impulsive breakdown below 50, folks, then that's probably pointing us back to the 46 region, maybe the 41 region. So that's what we're looking for in the near term. Whether this holds, if you're still looking for a corrected pullback into the support with one more push higher towards the highs, that would give us a beautiful structure for a wave 4 flat. So I really would like to see that, and that would hold the top of the box. That's what I'd like to see, but one step at a time. Again, the 5th wave of the 3rd wave of the C wave will probably be our indication. GDX.